Today we're talking about high frequency facial skincare. Now that will be, as they call it in my country, in Russia, Darsonval. So this device could be called high frequency facial machine, skin therapy wand, high frequency facial wand, but it will always look like that. So I am not advertising the company that is selling it. I just have it here to show you, right? It's a portable high-frequency facial machine that you use for either treating acne, and trust me, it works wonders, or for aging skin. It comes with electrodes that come in violet and orange colors. The electrodes are filled with either argon gas or neon gas, and they will produce either reddish or neon orange glow. So every time you take a band and you're going to use it, you will see, you might not see the color with the light on, but if you turn the light off, you will see definitely two different colors. One will be like bluish color, the other one will be more like orange. So traditionally, violet electrodes, they have been used by skincare professionals to treat acne-prone skin. And it is important to note that violet electrodes, they do not in any way produce harmful UV rays, so you shouldn't be afraid of that. The orange electrodes are generally used to treat aging skin, and because they said to direct more warmth to the treatment area, and all this improves the product penetration, so it's a great idea to use it with a treatment product. It also promotes blood circulation and encourages cellular turnover. It is also used for your scalp, for thinning hair. It also promotes blood circulation on your scalp, so it's great for the hair loss. Now, what should you expect from the treatment? So when you start using the treatment, you will feel some sort of tingling on your skin, so don't be afraid of that. I will just pull one wand out. I will definitely show you how to use these products, what's the best way to do it. Now, we take the band and we insert one of the electrodes inside, so and that it will look like that. Now you will see the color in here, not necessarily like bright color again, so that's for that purpose I'm suggesting you turn the light off. You will also feel a certain smell of like too much oxygen in the air, so it's also fine. And you might experience some redness for up to 30 minutes after the treatment. Now let's discuss the electrodes. I do not know what products you're going to buy, so normally they come in a set with several ones. So their different electrode would have different color. This one is called a mushroom electrode, so it looks like a mushroom like this. It has a wide area that you could work on your cheeks, in your forehead, obviously on your neck, and on your chest. Sometimes if you, this is the electrode that will help you to treat the acne. Now it's good if you have more than one pimple or the pimple is really large, so you could just work directly in this area. Now there is another electrode that is called a point electrode. Oops, be careful, it's all glass, by the way. So it's just a point right here. This is good to use for the eye area, and it's good for the eye area because it's very small. Or you could use cystic acne spots, just treat the smaller areas like this, you know, it can go really into different small areas. Or if you have just one small pimple, you could just work on that. I will show you how to do that. Y-shaped electrode. I normally do not use it much, but that's the one that is easy to use for your neck and also your shoulder areas, like this. Now there is another electrode that I love, and that's a spoon electrode. It looks like a small spoon. This is the one we use for anti-aging, and that's the one that we can use with something, with a product for its better penetration. It's very convenient to use it on the under eye area, just on the entire face. When we use it on the under eye area, it will help to reduce the puffiness. So there is also the comb I have right here. It literally looks like a comb, so we're going to use it for our hair. So this course is for the face, but I definitely show you how to use it for your scalp. And now I do not have that one. It's called direct massage. It looks like a stick or just a straight electrode. You also use that for your face and body, but I do not have one right here in the set. I honestly can't say I'm missing out. This is pretty abundant already. So, as far as the benefits, this machine, I believe it's something that everybody should have because it is inexpensive. You do not want to spend like extra when they say it's the only professional grade something. No, it doesn't need to be very strong for it to work. So just buy a regular one with good reviews. Now the benefits: it softens the fine lines and wrinkles. It also firms your skin and tones the sagging skin. It clears acne and refines large pores. I have combi skin and I used to suffer from acne. This thing really works, trust me, especially if you have just one pimple, you need it to go away real fast. It heals the pimple faster, just believe it or not. You need to try for yourself to see. And this also enables us to treat larger areas. You could use it for acne, even if you have body acne, say on your back. Same thing with acne. It will help you to minimize the inflammation and redness. It will relieve the area puffiness. That's why it's very good to work this machine around your eye area. It also renews skin texture and tone and promotes healthier hair growth, as we've mentioned already, and it enhances skincare product penetration, right, when we're working with different products. I really love this machine because it helps us to improve the collagen and elastin levels. As we know, they decrease with the age, and as a result we will have smoother and softer skin, actually pretty much more youthful looking skin. But again, persistency, consistency is very important. Just on the shelf alone won't really do a lot. Now, purifying oxygenation process, and that's the smell, like it's oxygenated something we're smelling in the air. You will feel it. If you have acne prone skin, if you have congested skin, oily skin, this is the device you need to go ahead and buy for yourself. It will infuse the skin with purifying oxygen molecules. This way it will eliminate the toxins and acne-causing bacteria. It will gently exfoliate dead skin cells. You know, all this is extremely important if you want to have clear skin. It can also help in reducing pore size, not like so much, because honestly, whatever they say in the advertisement, your pore size is the size your pore has. You know, you can't really get rid of it. You can make it a little smaller, tighter. You make sure it stays clean, no blackheads or anything, but it will definitely reduce the inflammation and redness. Now, with continual use, you will see the results, like clearer skin, brighter skin. I am the user of this thing. I can assure you that it helps for acne-prone skin. So now about boosting performance of your skincare product. Say you bought a very expensive, luxurious serum you want to use for your face. Again, this will definitely help because the effectiveness will be vastly improved with this treatment. Now, most skin products, they will really just sit on top of your skin, believe it or not. But again, the oxygenating power of high-frequency machine will open up your pores and make sure that the skin is more receptive to apply topicals by driving them much deeper below skin surface. So you just, again, need to try this to see for yourself. Now, about the frequency. I love not going crazy about anything, especially any devices for your skin. So I would say never use it for more than 5 minutes a day, and do not use it every day. So the best bet is to use it 1 to 3 times per week. Say if you want to run a course, say if you want to get rid of the acne, help your skin become clear. In this case, you could use it, say I'm going to use it today, especially if you have wide trimming areas, then I'm going to give my skin some rest and then use it a day after. So this way it might come up to maybe even sometimes 4 times a week. And then when you see the problem improved, you could just leave it as a treatment, say to twice a week. If you're going to use it for the products for them to work better on your skin, again, don't use it daily, use it every second or third day. You do not need any special conductive gel for this product. Just again, if you work on the acne, just your bare skin, and a few tips I will share. And if you're working for increasing penetration, just use your favorite cream, serum, or lotion if you're going to use it with your favorite products. It is not recommended to use with products containing AHA, glycolic acid, or alcohol-based products. You should need to avoid any areas of broken capillaries, spider veins, or rosacea. Also, if you have a mole on your face, don't work directly on the mole, move around. It's recommended to avoid wearing metal jewelry because you want to avoid having a shock. So if you have a nose ring, like I have a very small stud here, so normally I just work really far from that area, but if you have a bigger ring or something, I suggest it's better remove it. Now if you have earrings, you never know, right, when you can get close to the area, so also best bet is to remove it. You need to avoid using it near water and never use it internally, say in your mouth or in your nose. Now if you I also suggest that you avoid using it near the center of the throat where your thyroid is. That's why I said that the neck attachment I don't really use, because I don't want to apply this near my thyroid. So for your shoulders would be a best bet. Every device, it will have the control center where you control the strength of the frequency that you will feel, right? I know there are people, the more the merrier, right? No, you always start with the very low setting, and then with time, when your skin gets adjusted to the treatment, you can increase. But I have never, honestly, I've had it for a couple of years, never honestly used it on the highest frequency. I don't really see the need. So that's why I also suggest that you feel your skin better, that you see how it reacts. Now, if you start working, let's say in your forehead area, and you feel like you develop the headache, see how it's going to work the second time, and use it on the very lowest frequency, or just avoid using it in your forehead area and use it sparingly, say just to treat the acne. So pay attention to how you feel, because if one person says it saved my life, it might not be the same course for you. And I encourage that at all times. We're all unique, we're all different, and you need to know what works for you. And you cannot do it until you analyze how you feel doing these things. In our case, how your skin and your body feels doing these things. So I believe we've discussed everything about this high frequency wand. I will show you how to use it, and I'm sure that you will be very happy that you got yourself this device.